Porador. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Porador. Rebounded by JB. Jumping Obra. Jumping tusok-tusok by Obra. Is successful, but the possession remains with the black team. Bio Brothers bringing down the ball. Bio Brothers entering the half court. Together forever. Giving it to Arlo. Arlo dropping it to JJ with a good cut. Kaso hindi na shoot. Ferdy rebound. Ferdy. Kung ako yan, titira ko yan. Kaso si Kevin na lang daw. For 3. Wala. Rebounded by Aris. Aris to Calvin. Calvin running. Calvin will lay it up for 2. 5-point ball game. Bilis bumaba ng kalamangan. 33 again. Not good, but Wally was not boxed out. Wally came up with the rebound and passing it to Porador for 2. Rebound and assist by Wally. 2 points by Podi. Arlo, mukhang pagod na. Aris, hindi pa raw pagod. Aris, dropping to J to JB. JB, papasok ka ba yan? Wala pa rin. Aris. Pili ko si Aris na ang makakascore ulit. Pasok ka post. Rebound. Rebound stolen by... Wala.
Walang rebound yun, no?
Wala nakakuha ng... Porador running. Losing it momentarily, but giving it to Ferdy. Ferdy to Porador. Porador ayaw na tumira ng 3 kasi wala pa naman sa shoot. Si Wally, 2-point jump shot. Boarding is not good. Porador with the rebound. Porador passing it to Ferdy. Ferdy, titira niya yan. Libre siya for 3. Bang, bang! Nakaka-pressure. Dami ko na titira mamaya. Porador. Porador na rebound. Aris. Arlo. Passing it to Jay. Jay, puti na ang buhok. 7-second shot clock. Arlo, 2-point shot. Rebounded by Jay. Jay, giving it to Calvin. Fouled by whom? Sino po foul? 5. 6. Porador.
Sab! Sino may iwan? Kanina pa rin, no?
Nakalimutan mo, no? Nakalimutan ng timer natin magpapalit. Bawas, 100. Oy, same tayo, same palit. O, stay pa rin yung mga mag-stay.
Shooter. Hindi, mamaya na. Kay Calvin.
Pag na-shoot, palit. Hindi na-shoot. Wait lang. JC libre. JC giving it to J. 10-second shot clock. 2 points. Okay, time out. Palit lang. Calvin labas. J pasok. Jay. Spinning. 2-point shot. Oh my God. Over JC. Happy Father's Day. Oh, losing the ball but dropping it to JC. Assisted by Jay accidentally. Arlo to JC. Other JC to Jay. Puro letro lang yung binabanggit ko. Arlo, 2 points. Foul against si JC. 2 points is good. 1 free throw for Arlo. the president of Ivorywood Basketball Season 4. President for 1 free throw.
You wanna play?
El Presidente. Free throw is... Kadito. Pangit ito. Free throw is Chamba.
Walang team Joseph. Kinawal na. Kamali loob eh.
11-point lead. Sa post shot. Rebound by Ernest. 3-point shot by Ernest is not good. Here comes JC. Here comes Jay. Fouled by Ernest.
20 minutes. Pagod.
Sa laro-laro nga, hindi ka nagpapalaro ng iba. Magreklamo ka ngayon. Don't me. Don't me. Jay not making the free throw. Jay. Nice to yellow. Game. Yes, nice to yellow. Baby Obra, Baby Burger. To JC. To Jet. To Ernest. Attacking is good. 2 points assisted by Jet. The Tomador. JC, other JC. The supplier is free. The supplier takes the shot. Oh my God, almost there. Jet running, Jet surveying, Jet passing it to the referee. Too fancy or too busy for the Tomador. Arlo attacking. Arlo stopping. Turian. Ito, sure ball to. Promise. Sure ball. Jay, isa pa. Bigay mo ulit kay Mario. Pasok sa Malanggaw. JC with the rebound. Take shot is fouled. Okay, fouled.
Pag pumasok yung pangalawang free throw, time out ka mo. Wait lang ah. 2 minutes. Yeah, okay lang.
JC. Two-point shot.
Cancel nga daw. Cancel pinatunog ko. Lakin.
We would like to recognize the presence of Uncle Drew. Uncle Drew is here. Vin, nanay kay Uncle Drew. Thank you, Cedric, for the good weather. Thank you. Back to the ball game. Ernest attacking again. 2-point shot. Air ball. Rebounded by Arlo. Arlo attacking. Arlo crossing over. Attacking Sunny for 2 points. The lead is down to 7 points. Fortune passing it to Jay. Jay is free but did not take the shot. 2 points is not taken by Baby Burger. Rebound. No rebound. Possession goes to the white team. But, oh, what a pass! A foul-baited pass by Ernest. The best pass ever that I've seen today. Barde, free throw. Not good. Sanay na kami dyan. Second free throw. Pasok na raw yan. Di na sinubukan yung rebound. Arlo being guarded by Jay. Marion libre. Kung ako yun, titira ko yan. Kaso si Jay. Jay, babalik kay Marion. Jay attacking. Nawala yung bola pero di kinain ng ring. Si JC was fouled. Pushing foul by Mr. Barde. Barde is fouled. Barde foul. 3 fouls for Barde.
Oy, Sam. Uptime. Bakit?
Wala, hindi ka na. Wish ka na.
First free throw for JC is good. The ball game, 7 points. If he makes this, it's going to be 6 points. But it was not made. Rebound by Baby Burger. Jay, 3 on 2. Jay attacking, 2-point shot is good. Nakakarami na to. Kahit lasing pa. Nakakaraming bote na to si Jay. Jay, ano ba? Nandito na ako. Jay, isa pala si Jay. 2 points. Rebounded by Ernest. Ernest attacking. Ernest not passing. Ernest giving it to Sunny. Sunny giving it back to Fortune. Fortune attacking. 2-point shot by Fortune is good. Jay looking at the shot clock. Shot clock is dead. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Clock. Arlo attacking. Fouled by Carlos. Ilang foul na to? Sino po foul? JC. 3 fouls also for JC.
Quarter pala, tatlo. Pati si Bardo, tatlo.
Free throw is not good by El Presidente. El Presidente. Last free throw. Patunayan mong di chamba yung free throw kanina. Is good. Defended by JC for the bringing down the ball by Jet, pulling it up, bang, 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 Mr. Tomador, Jet, ilan yung score Jet? Ito nakarami na. Player of the half. Ay, hindi. Marami pa rin si Ferdy. 12 si Ferdy. Bilib ka doon, 12 pero walang galit, pre. First time ko makita yun, naka 12 pero hindi galit.
Sab.
Ay, Van, baka gusto mo mag-ano?
Alis ako.
Ano ba, Team Joseph? Porket di nakapasok ng ano, ayaw na magsulat eh. Vin, pwede ka magsulat? Ano si Vin?
Wala rin.
O Yape, pumunta ka dito. Kailangan ko lang magsusulat. Ted, tab sulat ah.
Sab. Pag pumotor pala tawag sa'yo, nakakasot ko eh.
Napanood ko sa YouTube yung trash talk mo. Napasa ni RM sa akin. Yan, yung Kevin. Sa kanya binigay yung mic nung ano nila. Nakatrash.
Iba na sanay.
Kasi nga, pagkatapos ng liga natin, opening na ulit.
Mga dalawang buwan inayos bago mag-uwi.
Hindi, di ba, nag-final.
Oo, dalawang buwan.
Tapos nag-open na ulit.
Dalawang buwan pa. Mag-open, ito, bubuksan ko ulit yan. October pa. Hindi kaya ano, lakas ng daming ulan. Hirap magpalaro.
Karaniwan pa ng ulan sa hapon.
October na ulit. Pagod na ako mag-ayos.
Tagal na pinakukuha ni Aaron yung t-shirt, hindi ko na maasikaso.
Kayo mo ba kunin?
Pwede yung style. Hindi ko mo na kuhanin, pagka uwi mo na lang. Tagal pa ako uwi doon yan.
Tagal mo. Lungkot yata yung malungkot ata sa doon. Wala kaibigan.
Really ba, maganda raw yung auto niya ngayon.
Ay, oo.
Video call sa akin.
Dali kumuha ng auto dun.
Yung battery operated ang auto niya.
Oo.
Hindi nakakampin eh. Hindi nakakampin.
Nico. Si Nico.
Mark.
Mark din.
Tapos hindi nakakampin nila.
Camilo, kakapit.
Hindi nakakampin nila.
Blue team. Blue team. Si ano, si Hendrick, nakakapoy. Hindi, wala palang kabut. Wala. Si Alvin lang, mag-isa na blue team. Yun lang, wala akong dala sapatos.
Ano mo na kayo sa paa? Yung bombo kayo dyan. Para sa suko. Dapat pa sa akin ni Aaron.
Oo. Tawang-tawa ako sa mga comments eh. Pag pumunta ka doon sa TikTok, yung mga comments doon, nakakatawa eh.
Tignan mo yung mga trash-talk niya.
Wala, malakas yung binabantayan mo, kaya tinakaw mo.
Andigil.
Sa kanya lahat yung score.
Andigil.
Sa Dalton. Mapatres. Kaya di ko pinapatawid ng court. Kaya kita mo hanggang lagi na kami half-court.
Sige si Bin.
Sulat pa, tat.
Ito.
Kasi siya, tat.
Ano ka, madam?
Tat ba?
Madam.
Lap, si Jojo.
Madam. Magkano ba?
Pastats din.
Magkano?
Oo.
Ah,
Laro siya, no?
Kulang.
Ha? Sabi nga ito.
Ito lang. Ito ba?
Okay lang, sige.
Tumating si Missy. Kasi nga.
Ganito sa'yo ngayon.
Second half. of the Battle for Third, also known as the Ezel Cup. Inbounding to Kyle V. The first pass goes to JC. JC and Kevin dancing. Mario, attempt number 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Porador. Fast break to Kevin. Kevin, meron. Muntikan lang. Assist. Assist and rebound Porador.
If you want to show over three. Pwede 150 over three. Tapos
2 points. Bantier. Arlo.
over 200.
Marion to Calvin. Calvin libre for 3.
Only if you
Wala, but still gets the rebound. Another one.
depends on
Wala pa rin. The rebound goes to Ernest. Ernest will attack. Ernest, here comes Ernest for 3. Pull up 3 is not good. Stolen by Ferdy.
Let's go
Ferdy
White!
for 3. Wala rin.
Let's go White!
Yan, dyan sa loob.
It's raining attack.
Good foul!
Fouled by number 84 by Iron.
Sino?
First free throw is not good. Ano pala si Mr. Point 5.
Magpapalit na ako guys. Don't mind.
Hindi mo mag-default nun.
Wow, akala mo yun. Ah,
30 for 3. Ay, kapos. Kapos eh. Gabi na yun.
nagpa-extend ka?
Ayan na. Labas na yung buwan. Buwan lang. Delaying the game, referee. Number 3. Free throw is not good. Rebound, not successful. Possession goes to the black team. Mario na may t-shirt sa loob, passing it to Arlo, Aris. Aris na may tali sa tuhod. Aris na may tali sa tuhod, dropping it to JB. JB na may mahabang leggings. To Kevin. Kevin na may takbong 2 points. Oh my God, tatlo kayo dun. Sabi ni Kevin, mana ako dun sa kuya ko, Pogi. Aris na may tali yung tuhod. Giving it to JC. JC, sinabayan. 2 points is good. Oh my God. It's a difficult shot. Substitution. Marion for Arlo. Nasumigaw lang ng substitution pero di po nakapit sa committee table. Presidente pa yan, ha? Free throw for JC. Free throw is good. 3-point play is good. The lead is 14 points. Crossing over by Fortune. Fortune is fouled. Fouled by whom?
Thank you.
42. Tigson.
Foul. First.
Polado, passing it to Kevin. Kevin. Judge step. Getting it back. Kevin, attacking. Little shot is not good. Shot black. Ayun na si Ferdy, nagagalit na ulit. That's the Ferdy that I know.
Let's go White!
Wala kayong laro kanina?
Aris, nakikititig. JP, libre, 3! Tapos pa rin. Kevin running. Kevin not passing. Kevin, 2 points. Rebounding by Kevin again. Ay, de, rebound by Arlo.
Rebound Arlo, foul by
Tita Rosie giving the Kobe's to Kevin.
Number 12.
Calvin, lumalaki ang tiyan. Passing to Arlo will lose the ball to JB. JB to Aris. Aris titira ng trees. Aris trees is good. Assist by JB. Ponador, naghahanap ng traveling. Ferdy, passing to Ponador. 3-point shot. Attempt na naman. And it's good. Assisted by Arlo surveying. May survey ba kayo dyan? Kamusta ang liga by El Presidente? JB to Calvin crossing over, 10-second shot clock. Arlo dropping it to nobody but Calvin pick it up. Calvin for 3. Not good. A rebound by JC. No backs out was present on that play.
Let's go, White!
Ponador to Ferdy. Ferdy taking the 3. Bang, bang. 3-point shot. Delay. Binuntis ang ball. Sino delay, boss? 56. Aris na naka-trees. Bringing down the ball. Give it to Rian. Rian mag-trees din. Ponador naka-rebound. Ponador tumatakbo. Ponador, 2-step to Kevin. Diluwa. Arlo na di pantay yung medyas. Passing it to Kevin. Another turnover for my friend.
Turnover Arlo.
Yan, diretso mo!
Turnover Arlo. Still si Kevin.
Foul 30, 84, 85.
Dito?
84. Falso. Falso yung Aris.
Ball possession. Kevin receiving the ball. Kevin not passing. Kevin give it to Ponador. Libre for 3. Not good. Rebound by JC. JC bringing down the ball. Saan na rin magdadala? Giving it to Ponador. Turnover JC. Ponador to step. Hindi traveling. Hindi pasok. Ponador to 30 for 3. Oh my God. That's 6-3 by Ferdy. Mukhang sa Friday tayo kakain.
Hindi, may ano nga tayo. Red doors. 6 doors.
6 doors pala, 6 doors. Yung isa dun, red doors. Bio, Arlo, kung hindi kumapit. Fortune, attacking. Fortune, losing it to the tuhod of Kevin. Calvin, dribbling. Calvin to JC. JC to Arlo. Arlo, oh my God, walang foul sa mukha. Fortune, Pico shot is good. Kevin, susuotan niyo yung sapatos.
Halatang dami yung kumapak. Dami kumapak.
Dapat talo ko lang. Pinapan dito. Talo to. Nakita mo na yung binis mo. Isang gabi ng talo.